the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace.
Okay, welcome back to Weekend Smile. Out of sheer curiosity, filmmaker and photographer Claud Watkis decided to take on a walk from the Portmore toll booth to the Ocho Rios roundabout, which was a total of 66 kilometers. And if you don't know, 66 kilometers is 41 miles. That's the distance between the Caymanos toll booth and the Ocho Rios roundabout. Now, Claude is here in studio with us to give us the deets, of his adventure. So let's hear it. Welcome to Weekend Smile, Claude. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you.
This great walk that you decided to take on. First of all, what came in your head? What came over your body, your mind, your soul, right, for you to take on this great walk, Claude?
Well, I wanted to try something new that I know that will leave like an impact on Jamaica. Never yet seen or documented, I'd say. So I decided to do it, and to try to at least feel what Paul Bogle felt.
I wanted to feel what Paul Bogle felt. No, sir.
During his walk.
Okay.
After 50 miles. However, I did the 41.
Okay.
Yeah.
Close.
So,
very close.
Yeah, very close.
Very, very close. I mean, so you'd say that Paul Bogle inspired your decision to take it on?
Yes, because at first I wanted to try the exact route that he took. However, I was concerned about my safety.
Okay.
So that's why I took it on the highway, where I know that even though no pedestrians are allowed, I still tried it anyway.
You still tried it anyway.
Yeah, and I took the risk.
What was the expected outcome of this journey?
To be honest, I didn't expect to, make it, but I did, and yeah.
Did you have did you bring food, water? You had like a knapsack, what? Tell me. All right, so tell me how you prepared for the walk. So let's start there.
All right, so I prepared I have my friend that was driving in the video, Noel.
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case for anything. And I already prepped the car with only water, a bottle of water, and about 4 Gatorade. And then I didn't remember anything about food until Noel told me that, hey, I have cornflakes. So that's when you saw the clip where I
no, Claude, say you're one of a kind because you tell yourself, say, I'm going to go walk 41 miles. And you never eat before you start?
Nope, not at all.
What were you? Were you nervous? Were you anxious? Were you afraid? Or
no, it's one of those things where I planned and prepped everything else and forgot completely about the food part.
Okay.
Everything.
So water and Gatorade probably were the two most important things for you.
Yes.
All right.
And the rain, because the sun was exhausting.
Okay. What else did he take on this journey with you? I mean, I know you had your electronics.
Yeah.
Where you were capturing the moments. But what else did he take with you?
Just my legs.
No little sunscreen.
No sunscreen. No little nothing. No music. Just me and my thoughts.
Just you and your thoughts. Okay. So that was preparation. What was the journey like?
Very, very, very rough and exhausting. Like the sun, oh geez, it was tough. Trust me, really, really tough. Did
you ever feel like you wanted to give up at any point in time? Like saying, look, this, that hill is too steep, boy.
Oh gosh.
That sun get to me, it kind of hot, Like, did you ever feel like you wanted to give up?
Of course, like multiple times. There was even a time where the sun got so rough to the point where in which I was like, all right, I hate this. This is the end of the video.
He said, I hate this, Yeah, man.
I hate this one.
We can't come close to Paul Bogle, another one,
Until, I rested under a bridge, and then rain came, and then I decided to walk in the rain just to cool down from the sun as well.
How long did it take you?
19 hours. I'd run it off to 19 hours, because I started from 6:18 a.m. to 12:50 something, but I just run it off to 1 a.m.
Wow.
Yeah. So about 19 hours roughly.
What did you enjoy most about this great walk?
I I enjoyed like just like the mental warfare and everything and what I went through like during the walk, like the questions I asked myself, and like it was just a challenge personally to like, because I remember a lot of other struggles that I went through in life, and I'm like, this is it. And if you also want to try to achieve something in life, you have to go for it no matter what, never give up. So this is a perfect example of that, I guess, yeah.
When you realized that you were coming close to the end of the walk, what was actually going through your mind at that point in time?
Finally.
Finally.
Thank God.
Thank God. Oh, gee, I made it.
Yeah, man,
I actually did it.
Fully hungry, yeah. Fully hungry.
You're like, okay, that all the anxiety and the fear and the what ifs have left now,
Yeah, man,
and I feel like I've accomplished it.
Finally, home. And as I'm reaching the car, drop asleep.
I was gonna ask you, when you've completed the walk, what was the first thing that happened to you? Because after walking 41 miles, that's a trek, you know?
Yeah, man.
So what actually happened to your body or even to your mind?
My mind and entire body came to like a relief. Foot start to like, you know, give way.
Start wobble.
Everything just start give way. Like I say, yeah, man, I ate this now, man. I just fully break down time. You need rest. And as I'm going to the car, as myself just shut down. Not even eat the food I'm buy, just fully shut down.
Yeah, man.
Entire journey.
Oh, wow. Will you be planning any more of these walks?
Yeah, of course, I will. I have a couple of part 2s and part 3s. Not going to give like, I can. I actually have some company this time. I'll have some company this time walking from the roundabout to Discovery Bay. Discovery Bay. And then I also want to try to take on the whole laboratory to Clarendon maybe. So I'd want to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I'll be participating in the ICWI's Pink Run that will be held on October 30th of this month, next week Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And to raise funds for breast cancer people and cancer survivors and all that, yeah.
I have to ask you, Claud, why is it so important for persons to, challenge themselves in these different ways? It's a little bit, unconventional, and persons would normally just take on this great walk. We do different challenges.
Yeah, that's true.
But why is it important to, find different challenges to take on?
I mean, well, I did it, I not just only did it for the content. However, I did it as a challenge to challenge myself to see my limitations. Yeah. And also mentally, it helps me to prepare myself in life. So whatever I want to go for in life and everything I want to like get, then I know my mind is fully focused on that. Yeah. And just go with the mentality, never give up.
Definitely. Where can we see your content, Claud, before we go?
Oh, yeah.
Go watch your great walk.
You can check out my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Claud Watkis.
All right.
Yeah.
Claud, thank you so much for joining us this morning on Weekend Smile.
Yeah.
All the very best to you on the rest of your walks. And I'm sure, we'll see them as you take them on and accomplish them. Filmmaker and photographer Claud Watkis, thank you so much. Our second video pick of the day comes from Burna Boy and Ed Sheeran, called For My Hand. I love this song.